Hi friends, I'm Parviz and this is our 28th lesson in PyQt5 Qt development. So in this video we're going to start our topic about creating charts in PyQt5. So in this video we will learn that how we can create bar charts, how we can create pie chart, how we can create line chart, and also donut chart. Now for creating charts we can use PyQtChart. So the first thing you need to install PyQtChart, and you can see that it's the latest release, and you can just use pip install PyQtChart and it will be installed. So you can see PyQtChart is a set of Python bindings for the Qt company, Qt company's Qtchart library. The bindings set on top of PyQt5 and are implemented as a single module. So now after installation, now we are going to create our first bar chart. Now I've already created my window, so it's just a simple window, and in here I want to create my bar chart. I need some imports in here, so first I need to add a QViewBox layout. Also from PyQt5 Qtchart. So from PyQt5 Qtchart we are going to import QChart, and also we need to import QChart view. Now in every drawing of charts in PyQt5 you need a QChart object and also QChart view. So these two are required, and you need to create the object of QChart, and after that you need to add your QChart in the chart view, and you can set the chart view in the VBox layout. So after this we are going to use QBarSet because we want to create bar chart, and it is a Q% bar series, so we also import this we need. And the last one is QBar category axis. Okay, now we are going to create our, so the first thing I need, first let me just set a style sheet. So self.setStyleSheet, and background color, and I want it should be green. So if you run this, you'll see that I have a green background color window. Now the first thing I need to create a set of bar set. So I can say set 0 and it is QBarSet, and you can add some names in here. Set 1 QBarSet, set 2 QBarSet, set 3 QBarSet, and let me just add one more in here, so set 4 QBarSet, and like this. Okay, so after this we need to create our values. So we need to add to these bar sets, we need to add values, and we can 2 and 3, 4, 5. So now let me just pause the video and add for all of them. Alright guys, now these are the data that I have inserted. After this we need to create a Q% bar, so we can just create in here. And now we need to append these data to the Q% bar series. So we can just say dot append, so set 0 dot append set 1, set 2, 3 and set 4. Okay, now after adding these, now I've already said that we need to create a chart, and after chart we need to create a chart view. So these two are required for every charts. For example, if you're going to create PyChart, you need these two also, or if you're going to create donut chart, you need to create chart and also chart view. So first let me just create the object of chart, or okay, like this. So I'm going to just say QChart chart dot add series, and we want to add this in here. And after this also you can set a title for the chart, so set title, and I'm going to just say bar chart percent example, and also you can set animation for the chart, so dot set animation options, and we can say QChart dot series animation. Okay, now this is our chart. Now for the bar chart also we need to create some axis. So for this I'm going to just say categories. Let me create a list of months, so January and February. Okay, now we need to create axis, QBar category axis, and now we can append, so dot append, and we want to append the categories. And also we can say chart dot default, create default axis, and chart dot set axis X, and also the series. So now after this, now we need to create our chart view. We can just say chart view and Q chart view, and in the chart view we need to add our chart. So now let's create the object of QViewBox layout and add this chart view in the VBox layout. So dot add widget, and we want to add chart view, and at the end you need to set the layout. So self.set layout to the VBox layout. Now let me run this. So now you can see that we have a nice bar chart, and you can see we have a nice animation for this. Alright guys, now we're going to create pie chart in PyQt5. So this was bar chart, and now it's time to create pie chart. So now I have already created my codes for creating of the window, and now I need to add some imports in here. So from PyQt5.QtChart, I'm going to import QChart. It's important to add the QChart and QChart view, and also we add QPy series. Okay, now in here we need to create our pie chart. So it's for the pie chart we can also call QPy series. So first we need to create the object of QPy series, and after that we need to append the value in here. So dot append, for example, apple et, and we can say banana, pear, melon, okay. Now after this we need to create a QChart object. So chart QChart, and we can add this data to our chart. So chart dot add series, and also we can set animation dot set animation options. So there are different type of animation. We are going to just use this one animation, so series animations, and we can set a title. Fruits pie chart. Okay, now we need to create our chart view, QChart view, and add the chart in the chart view. After this, create a VBox layout. We need to import VBox layout at the top. Q VBox layout. We need to add the chart view in the VBox layout, and also we need to set the layout for the VBox. So we need to set the main window layout. Okay, now let me run this. So now you can see that we have a nice pie chart. Also we can say cell.set style sheet background color red. So now you can see we have red in here. Also you can add a slice for the pie chart. So right now we don't have any slice, so for adding a slice, so in here we need to add our slice. I'm going to just say my slice series dot slices, and I want to make it 2 slice. So now if I run this, so this 2 means that I want to make the slice to the second. So so this is 0, it's from index 0, and this is the first one, and this is the second index, and I want to make the slice of the second index. So now we can say my slice dot set exploded to true, and my slice dot set label visibility to true. So QPySlice has no object set label visibility. Oh, it's label visible. It's label visible. So visible. Okay, now you can see that for the here we have a slice in here. Now if you change this to 3, now 0, 1, 2, 3, the slice should be for the melon. Now you can see in here we have a slice. So also you can add style for this. So we can say my slice dot set pen and qpen. So we need to import this qpen. This is Qt GUI. We need to import qpen, and from PyQt5 core import Qt. So the color of the pen, you can add it, for example, green, and for this is the size of the pen. Also you can add brush, so my slice dot set brush, Qt dot for example green. Let me just add. So now you can see that this is our slice in here. Okay guys, now we are going to create line chart in PyQt5. So for creating of the line chart, we can use QLine series. So now I have created my basic window in here. So the first thing I need to add some imports. So from PyQt5.qtchart, I'm going to import QChart and also QChart view and QLine series. Also I need to add QVBox layout. Okay, now first I'm going to just create QLine series in here, and after this now we need to append some data, and also we need to add some data to the series. So first I'm going to just append dot append, and I want to add 06 dot append 04. So let me just make it 24 or make it 5 and 8. Seven 3, and also the last one is 12 7. So now after this we need to create some points. For this we need to import qpointf. So from PyQt5.qtcore import qpointf. So we can say pointf, so 11.1. So we are going to insert these points, and the last one is 22. Okay, now after this we need to create our chart. So chart QChart, and now we need to add the data to the chart. So add series, and we can set animation options. So set animation options dot series animation. And also you can set the title for the chart line chart example. So after this, now we need to create the chart view, and we need to add our this chart in the chart view. QChart view, chart, and it's time to create Q viewbox layout. We need to add the chart view to the viewbox layout, so add widget, chart view, and you can set the layout, so self.set layout to the viewbox layout. Now we are going to run this. So now you can see we have a line chart in here. Okay, now we're going to create donut chart. So donut chart is a type of PyChart or QPy series that we can use. Now I've already created my basic codes for creating of the window, and also I have imported QVBox layout. So after this I need to import, so from PyQtChart we need to import the QChart and QChart view, QPy series. So after this we need to create the object of QPy series, and now we need to just set hole size, so set hole size and 0.40, and now we can append one data to the series. So I can say protein 4.3%, 4.3, and now we need to create a slice, so I'm going to just say my slice series dot append, or first let me just comment this, and I'm going to just create the object of chart, so QChart, and we can say chart dot add series, and then we want to add the series in here, and you can say chart dot set animation options, QChart dot animation series animations, and we can set the title, you can say donut chart, and also you can set a dim. So for right now I'm not going to set dim, and I'm going to just create a chart view, and we can say QChart view and add the chart in here. Create the object of QVBox layout, and we need to add the chart view in the viewbox layout. After that you need to set the layout for the window. So now we can see that right now we have just one data in here. Now let's just add a slice in here, and we want to add more items. So let me just say fat, you need to add the value, and we can say my slice dot set exploded to true, set label visible to true. Now if I run this, so now you can see that I have this slice in here, and also you can add some more, append some more data, so adder. So now you can see these are the donut chart. Now you can add them. We can so even you can do I think for all charts you can add them. So first let me just do this for the donut chart, and in the chart we can say chart dot set them QChart dot chart dim blue. We are going to use this dim. So now you can see we have a nice dim in here. Now let me just copy this with more charts. So for the line chart, if I add this and let me run this, now you can see for the line chart I have this, and let me just add in the PyQtChart. So in here, so if there is another dim, so it's blue icy, dim brown sand, dim dark. So let me just use this. So you can see it's another kind, and let me just say chart dim dark. So you can see we have a dark dim in here. Let me just copy and bring this for the bar chart. So this is our bar chart. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and if you want the source codes, you can just check my blog geekscoders.com and you can get the source code from there.